All right, here we go. This is 10. It won't. This is 10.1. This is actually a review. We've covered this before. That's why I finished off with this section 10.1. Okay. This is the operations and composition. Basically, it's a review. We covered it earlier. But this is also the last lesson. Okay, so we'll start off with some of the operations and the functional properties. So for f, if we have f plus g of x, that is just two separate functions that we are adding together. Okay, f minus g of x, just f of x minus g of x. Again, this should be a review, most of it. This is our product. We're multiplying the two functions. Okay, and then we have, so this is the sum function, the difference function, product, and the last one, of course, is the quotient. Okay, so let's just start by using all of these properties. Okay, so example 1, we'll have f of x equals x squared plus 1, g of x equals 3x plus 5. Okay. So we'll start with a, f plus g of 1. Okay, this is basically this right here. Basically, we're saying f of 1 plus g of 1. So f of x, we'll plug in the 1 there. We've got 1 squared plus 1 plus 3 times 1 plus 5. This is equal to 2 plus 8. So that's going to equal 10. B, this is the f minus g, and we got a negative 3 in here. So this is basically f of negative 3 minus g of negative 3. Okay, and this is where we really have to be careful, is this right here. Okay, so this is negative 3 squared plus 1 minus, I'm going to put this in brackets because we have to subtract the entire thing. 3 times negative 3 plus 5. Okay, so we get 9 plus 1 minus this entire thing. It's negative 9 plus 5 is negative 4. So 9, 10, that becomes plus, and we get 14. Okay, let's take a look at C. Okay. F, G of 5. So that's going to be F of 5 times G of 5. Okay. So again, we'll just plug this in. For our F of 5, that is 5 squared plus 1 times 3 times 5 plus 5. That's 26 times 20, which equals 520. Okay. Okay. Let's go with D. F of G of 0. So that's F of 0 over G of 0. And that's going to equal 0 squared plus 1 over 3 times 0 plus 5. So that just equals 1/5. Okay. So that's the basic operations in there. Okay. Now, moving on to something new. Finding difference quotients. Okay. Actually, I'll make another video on that one just because the shorter the videos, the faster they load up. Okay.